Katanat Social Welfare ka Sarkar Jilla haringkat ka jingatray langbat ka Meghalaya State Rural Livelihood Society MSRLS haka prataray ulaber arja arpusan kalaraki ka Sngi Kyrpang Kynthei ka tip kum ka International Women's Day bat ru ka jingdap shipos namjong ka scheme Beti Bachao Beti Padhao BBBP. Hakajuk Sngi kaladan ru ka jingpen ko buram ya ki Kynthei bat ru ban panlong ya ka jingyat rali ki Kynthei dagi tuk magaji thir halor ka jingkala ka rukam ai pateng bat ka jinglong noyalam ki Kynthei lani ka evolution of matrilineality women in leadership ka bala Long State Convention Center. Hakani ka Sngi layadan lang daw ba Paul Lingdo Menteri Katanat Social Welfare Kumukongsan ka Dr. Maisel Amprin Lingdo ka Menteri ka Kot Kakhia ka Kong Camelia Dorin Lingwa MCS Director of Social Welfare ki officer na kitanat rikam baper ki aganwadi ki samla pule nalor ki wei de. Haba ajing kran uba Paul Lingdo ula kran Pynsamrkhie ya ki noi shambanta banong I believe in women. Lani udan jinget haki Kynthei bat haka jing kran ulaong baka kan tien ba ka thau ya ka jing long rang ba bat ka kan tien gong ka thau ka ban ning kong haba phai pat cha ka dostor ki khasi ya ka jing ong blei yeng ulaong baka thau ya ka kme namar ka dei maka ka blei jong ka yeng.
On a day like today, I'm happy to declare that most people know me as the father of one son, but apart from him, I have 4 lakh children in the social welfare department. So being a father of 4 lakhs is not an easy task. But we would like to carry on because I believe God has designed a purpose for each one of us, and we're here to carry forward that mission, that responsibility with which we are tasked. If you go by figures, facts and figures, we would all note that the Department of Social Welfare has played a deep and intense role in changing the fortunes of several families, and not just those directly impacted by the department. And I'm happy to say that we have a very energetic team which is working together to ensure that the rest of the world looks up to Meghalaya. I'm glad to say this, that whenever I interact with countrymen across the country, they all acknowledge the fact that whenever they visit Meghalaya, they do notice the fact that women are held in high regard. And this is a tradition that we should carry forward and further improve upon. If we go back to our belief system as Khasis, there is a song I heard as a kid, Bleye. I thought it was a song about God. But when I listened to the words, Bleye represents the mother, the goddess of the house, of the home. And so this is a society that reveres mothers as goddesses. Of course, there was also another incident I would like to highlight here. There was this conversation between a man and a woman. And the man said, people call me Bap because Bap means great. Shillong is male, but Ramba is man. A stream is Wadur. A river is Kawak, but Wapa would be the sea. A loam would be a hill. a low bar becomes a mountain. So the man argues that bar signifies size and dimension. The lady was listening with rapt attention, but she retorted by saying, "You know why we are called Gong? Gong means Ningong. We are first. So you may be as big as you can claim to be, but we are first." I think over centuries, this discourse, this debate has been ongoing. And I also recall coming up to this argument where both a girl and a boy were asked to place punctuation marks before one sentence. The sentence reads, "Woman without a man is nothing." You know what how the girl placed punctuation marks? She said, "Woman, exclamation. Without her, comma, man is nothing." And the boy wrote back, "Woman, comma, without her man, comma, is nothing, full stop." So it's up to this audience to make up your mind. But I think our energy comes from synergy. Nothing works better than that. When it works in the reverse direction, it would be something that happened to Samson via Delilah. But if it works in tandem, it's something that worked for even someone as evil as Hitler with his Eva by his side. So friends, we're here to celebrate womanhood. We're here to celebrate the fact that although they may, as Longkmie has mentioned, although women might appear fragile, there is so much of strength and resilience. And my appeal to all of you as runners in championing the cause of women is to carry forward and help us empower, especially our girl children, and also sensitize our people about the rights of women to space the cycle of births so that it does not bring the various health issues that are confronting them and our children, like stunted growth and other such issues. Kyrpang has just said that she possesses a heart of stone. At least one of my favorite songs is Heart of Gold by Neil Young. I'm happy that you will be having two interactive discussions. I wish the discussions will take our department forward, guide us to better serve our people, and be here with that sense of mission. I'd like to end by reminding each one of us, both men and women, that the very venue we are in is part of Pinewood Hotel, which was initiated by a Swiss couple just a year after the great earthquake of 1897. The fact that they chose to build what became later one of the best 50 hotels in India is a testimony of faith for us to build after massive destruction. Only people of strength, only people who team up can even come up with such an idea. So once again, I wish today's deliberations the very best, and I'm sure that you all will proactively pursue the goal of ensuring that we are assured of gender equality, we are assured, and you as women, as girls, are assured of safety. Certainly the state and our capital city of Shillong is one of the safest in the country, but we would like to ensure that we take that a notch further so that we become a living example of women's rights, where others are still, the rest of the country is still talking of Beti Bachao. I think we've already achieved that goal. For us, what lies ahead is empowering and ensuring that all of you unleash your huge potential.
Habatin, pej bahagi kishab, kashab plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam, dunaki eki batay kamet. Namar kata, habathiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut, pej ya kashab plus F hakajing som. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka ayan la icon diat bat akabatau bha. Kam kata ikadur jengki marbam kajing mat lani ka rukom shed yaki.
Balehi banai kita.
Kadon ka we kajing mentoy bakongsan. Kakot kakia. Ka nutrition bakam bha kajing im bakam bha pendon kam daki marba medon ka sharp plus F menta kasni.
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya.